Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, and this is the Lumpy Space Princess from Adventure Time. I was so excited, especially because you could see some colors peeking through the side of the bath bomb, and I just knew this one was going to be colorful. Oh, I was so excited. I used to watch Adventure Time years and years and years ago, and I always loved this character, so when I saw they had it on their website, had to get it. They do change their products very frequently, so at the time you're watching this, probably not on their website. I just checked the other day and they had a bunch of autumn and fall stuff out, but it already sold out. They have very reasonably priced bath bombs that are super colorful. Some of them are very intricate and detailed and just incredibly well done. I've ordered several bath bombs. I've been amazed with all of them. Very vibrant colors and just tons of fun. Typically there's nothing hidden inside, but sometimes they do have bath bombs with stuff hidden inside, and I have a playlist in case you want to check out some of them. I did have a Pokeball one that had something hidden inside, and 2 geode bath bombs that had little pendants inside as well. But this one, the fragrance notes are sweet apple blossoms, lilac, and lavender, and it smelled really good. Typically, I hate floral scents, but I really like the smell of lilacs. So I just loved everything about this bath bomb, and it was just so cool. They just got it perfect, the way it looks, and just the details and the colors, and highly recommend trying something from this company. We're quickly approaching Halloween, and I'm hoping they put out some really cool Halloween ones. I do love the holidays. My brother was born on Halloween, my daughter was born on Christmas, and my mother was born on Thanksgiving. So it's an exciting time of year for us. And this bath bomb did last a very long time. Just very slowly floated around the tub. Then I did pick it up at the end just to see how much was left. And it's kind of cool. I would love to see a how it's made video for their products, because there's always like these little cubes of inserted colors, and those dissolve first, and you can see where they're coming from when I pick it up. I was so sad. I went to go reach for the bath bomb because I was going to grab it, and then I accidentally knocked it over in the water. I didn't mean to do that. It was just out of reach. I was like, no. But that's okay. It was just about done. See, it's like a little floating shelf or something where all the color comes out of the center. So I went ahead and just broke it up. The water's a very beautiful color. Love purple water. And that is what I have for you today. If you guys are interested, I still have a couple more products that I will do demos on. So make sure you stick around, stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.